Let's do 10 Swedish words about the future.
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Yes, one of the suggestions I got from you guys when you email me or fax me or you DM me or you message me was to do a short video about future tense. So here we go. So there are 3 different groups, but there are actually 5, and we'll get to those other 2 in the very end. The first one is the present tense plus a future adverb. Jag sover länge imorgon. Sover is happening right now, but imorgon is the future. Jag sover länge imorgon. Hon städar huset nästa vecka. Hon städar huset nästa vecka. Han är utbildad om ett år. Han är utbildad om ett år. The next form is will plus infinitive. Will plus infinitive. Du ska ringa imorgon. Du ska ringa imorgon. Vi ska berätta allt. Vi ska berätta allt. De ska bjuda in oss. De ska bjuda in oss. And the third one is going to plus infinitive. Going to plus infinitive. Jag kommer att sova skönt. Jag kommer att sova skönt. Ni kommer att ångra er. Ni kommer att ångra er. And the first of the 2 extra ones is it will. It will. Det blir mycket att göra där. Det blir mycket att göra där. Jag tror att vädret blir bra imorgon. Jag tror att vädret blir bra imorgon. And the second of the extra ones is going to or actually thinking of. Hon tänker köpa en bil. Hon tänker köpa en bil. Han tänker hyra en bil. Han tänker hyra en bil. It hasn't happened, it is going to happen, he is going to rent a car, and that means it is future tense. Thank you for watching. This was an example of 5 different ways that you can do future tense in Swedish. If you want to see more of my videos, just look around, they're everywhere. Just search my name or search Learn Swedish, you'll probably pop up something. Most of the time they're actually entertaining. I know. Learning and entertainment, edutainment, thank you very much.